I'm just standing here and you're over here giggling and wiggling. Are you ready? I have I can't do it when you're looking at me. Okay, you're being weird. I'm just standing here, Mr. Kaboot. I did. Would you like me to kaboot you? Yeah. And exactly how do you see that going?
Don't look at him.
Your face is turning
Different sizes. Got the deluxe 10x10 straight leg. We got the 10x10 instant slant leg. Then we've got 6x4 foot personal. Look, Dad's out in the sun. No room for Dad under there. Oh, that's the story of my life.
Oreo.
She snuck in here.
Oh, yeah, I know. Seriously, baby? That's like our blankets. It's where we keep our blankets, Oreo. Look at them. You did a good job, though, Mama. Not the best place, but you did a good job.
Where? Hey, it's in the garden. I'll take it. Let's go, Merritt. Pay attention, man.
21?
No, we've got a couple more than that now. We got like 23, 24 with if you're counting calves. We had 5 calves, but I haven't put my eyes on. Well, Emma's right here and Pearl. Oh, Pearl's right there. So she still looks like she's carrying. Merritt, could you please? Are you gonna give them milk? You gonna be a milk cow for this family?
Yes.
I'll tell you what, you're gonna get a lot more treats if you're a milk cow. Be careful, you're in that kick zone.
Mm-hmm. This is the one I thought I was just putting this one. I can't tell.
Who's got the heart on their forehead, sis?
Debbie.
All right, so that's Debbie over there. Yeah.
Also, Hazel only has white in her belly and below, but Debbie has a strip along her.
I wish we could name them something like White Stripe or something. I think she's just better fed. It's no longer the winter, it's the spring. She's eating a lot of grass every day. Because it's too soon for her to be pregnant. And when I say too soon, I mean like she wouldn't be showing yet for how long she's been out with them. Hey, dude. It's all right. I actually like that they're getting a chance to eat here a little bit. Let's just take it slow with them. Sis, if you want to walk ahead and start the water, that'd be great.
I need 4 more tomato buckets, or we need to put a plot outside. I have my 4 zucchini plants, and we're growing new tomato starters. We want to do an outside patch.
Of tomatoes. So one thing we could do for that is
Guineas eat it.
the guineas will eat the fruit tomatoes. Yeah.
Should we get some of that netting?
Yeah, which we wouldn't even have to get it right now. We can get it in a month or 2 or 3.
But
Right.
use the plastic.
Right. We would lay the plastic out, cut some holes, that kind of thing. Hey, run up behind that dairy cow and push her down.
There's a hard time.
Gauge more.
Here's a toad. I brought you this toad. Oh, did you find some mud? You sure did, you little butt cheek. You little butt cheek.
Sis, I thought you were going to run up ahead and start the water.
Run up ahead and start the water?
Or just walk. You don't have, I'm not making you run. Just.
Copper, no.
Atta girl, Hazel.
Watch out, don't you? Found her friend. They sure look the same.
Yeah, they're absolutely right that one has more white on its legs and rump, but like I just didn't know who, whatever. So Debbie's got the heart on her forehead.
They both have a heart on their forehead.
One is more of a heart. Number 6 right there, mud butt.
Oh, you got me all dirty.
Mud butt's our biggest steer right now.
Man, he's not very big.
No, he's not. But again, they don't get as big as like a full commercial.
He's nowhere near like Big Mama.
Yeah. They kind of, I tell you what, they kind of sneak up on you though. And he'll never be as wide. Like the females just have a bigger, wider belly. But then we've got number 4, which that's number 4 up there.
3 o'clock, baby.
Yep, we'll be going soon, dude.
You make any progress on your project?
Yes, I'm at the tracing and cutting stage for that thing.
What
Can we go
progress
early?
came
Can we
with
go
that?
early?
Me taking it apart, which was actually more complex than I thought. It's nothing like what I thought it would be.
Dad, can we go
Never
early?
As soon as that happened, I was like, it's never like I thought it would be.
Exactly.
Why would I think that it would be like the way I think it would be?
Can we go early?
Nice out right now. Yes, we can go early.
Goodness
Go
gracious.
early?
You got stuff. Why don't you go get dressed then?
Hey, there's some people that would not be happy that you got Abraham Lincoln on your hat. Like the Jeffersonians.
Come on,
Like my man Andrew Luck.
Who? Hi, Mama. Which one's the newest one? That one?
That might have been it. Where's Gage going again?
To get dressed.
Oh, okay. The blackberries are blooming.
In my garden. Where the cows are decimating them.
When I saw Wendy walking towards me earlier,
You what?
I saw you walking towards me earlier when I was coming back from letting Gage out in the pasture to mow.
You know, it's bad.
No, actually I was fooled. I was like, here she comes. And then as soon as you open your mouth, I was like, bad news, frustration,
Cows
anger,
are eating
and
my stuff.
telling me what I need to do that I haven't done that is ruining everything in her life.
I didn't say any of those things.
But it's okay. I was still happy to see you. Yeah, we gotta get this.
Oh, honey.
We gotta get that moved. I tell you what, a half
honey.
unrolled roll of fence is a pain in the ass.
Gotta get that moved,
Hey.
honey.
Walk up top there and then come back towards me, walking towards me, and then tell me that. We'll get a shot of this. Hey, did you start the water, girl?
Yeah.
Thank you. Who's punching my butt?
Gage.
Well, you're back? You can't. You're afraid to be alone in the house? Is that what it was?
No.
Hey, well, I'm glad you came back because you got to run down to that dip and get those 2 cows moving this way. Go now. I want to get it on video. Your cow movement skills. Let's see what you got, son.
I think that's the only motivation.
Dogs are up here, I think, somewhere.
Look at that mullet.
The Malay. Well, that's one way to do it. Hey, be nice, Gage.
Gage, he'll kick you. Still. Stay away from the back.
He's good. Turn Clementine around. Where's Merritt? Merritt!
He's still there.
Push him up out of there. Look what's happening, dude. They're getting behind you. I need you to push them up this hill. Cadence, go help them push up this hill when Mom and I hang out and talk.
Gotta work on that. She really doesn't. Here comes Mia. Why is she coming around? Oh, because that's open.
Oh, they're not even supposed to be in there. I don't know how they got in there.
Goats.
Yeah.
Shocker. They must have let it out because they were out today too. Yes, sir.
Clementine again.
Good job, kiddos.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, also that fence is off. We turned it off for a walk.
Oh, well, that needs to be dealt with. Let's go fix it.